Hello and welcome to this video on how to use Chat GPT, a large language model trained by OpenAI. In this video, we will be exploring how to use Chat GPT and the benefits of using this tool. Body. Step 1. Access Chat GPT. To use Chat GPT, you need to access it through an online platform that offers the service. One example is the OpenAI website. Once you have accessed the website, you will find the chat interface where you can input your message or question. Step 2. Enter your question. To use Chat GPT, simply type in your question or message into the chat interface. The model will then process the input and generate a response based on the data it has been trained on. Step 3. Wait for the response. Once you have entered your question, you will need to wait for a response from the model. Chat GPT uses advanced algorithms to generate responses in real time, so you can expect a quick response. Step 4. Review and refine your question. In some cases, you may receive a response that is not exactly what you were looking for. In this case, you can refine your question or message to provide more clarity for the model. This can help to generate a more accurate response. Step 5. Benefit of using Chat GPT. Chat GPT is a powerful tool that can help you to generate quick and accurate responses to a wide range of questions. It is particularly useful for individuals who need to access information quickly or for businesses that want to automate customer service processes. Conclusion. Thank you for watching this video on how to use Chat GPT. We hope that this information has been helpful and that you are now able to use this tool effectively. Remember, Chat GPT is a powerful tool that can help you to access information quickly and accurately.